Good morning children. I have come back to you with another lesson. This is lesson number 1 and the subject is art and craft and the topic is drawing and coloring, and this lesson is for the students of class 5. Now children, this year you have 2 books, SJ Pencil Drawing and Art Friend. Art Friend is for craft work. But now today we will not do any work from these 2 books, SJ Pencil and Art Friend. Today we will do some revision work. What you have learned based on what you have learned in class 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this drawing we have used crayons or oil pastels and pencil to draw. First we will draw this drawing with pencil. This is part of the earth. Then we will do the horizon where the sky and the water is meeting. Then we will draw the coconut tree. See how I have drawn the coconut tree, curved lines, and below the curved lines this is the design. Okay. Then after making this drawing with pencil, don't forget the bushes here. It has a special effect. This is the sun. Then what we will do? We will do the background coloring. That means the boulder with yellow background. Then we will do the light blue color background. Okay. On top of this dark Prussian blue. This is the Prussian blue. You can see this dark blue. And after each color which I am using for the special effects, we will just use a piece of paper to rub it. So this will give a special effect to this coloring. After this also, this sky also same thing. You will do the yellow coloring, then the orange, light orange, and then the darker shade of orange. So this will give the twilight or dawn effect. Very early in the morning you will see this effect, or when the sun is setting. So for this we have to do the coloring this way. First darker shade, then lighter, and then still lighter. So this way, and the leaves, inner part of the leaves we will do light green, and then to give it a special effect dimension, we will use the darker shade of green. This is the darker shade of green, and on top of the darker shade of green, what we are doing? This is the darker shade of green, and on top of this darker shade of green we will use blue. So this way you will complete the whole diagram. Here the bushes green outlined with darker shade of green, and inside light green. Okay. And after each coloring, what you will do? Yes, we will rub it with the piece of paper. So ultimately we will get this effect. Don't forget, last but not the least is the grass. The grasses should have their patch here. Okay. For the grasses use the green and this blue, and you can use also the light green color. Okay. Okay. And so this yellow color has to be given to give it a dimension. Then last, on top, after this yellow color you will use the light green. On top of the light green, for the special effect you will use the darker shade of green. Okay. But after coloring you have to rub with the piece of paper. So children, this is your homework. Next week I will come to you with the book. We will use the SJ pencil coloring. Okay. So good night. Thank you.